everybody, it's your girl Glenda and we are back for another video. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. Now on today's video, I'm not cooking. I came to y'all with a grocery haul that we picked up. Y'all know New Year's Eve is tomorrow, so I wanted to pick up a few items to add with what we have going on tomorrow. And yeah, so we are back. So let's start from this side. I picked up some of this Martinelli's sparkling cider. Picked up 2 of these for the non-alcohol drinkers in the family for New Year's. Picked that up again. I picked up 2 of those. They were just like $3 and something. Also grabbed some salted butter. I have 3 of these salted butters. There's the other 2 right there. Of course, I just use regular butter for baking purposes. All right, so down here I have 2 of these butter flavored Heb Brand Biscuits, because what I want to do for the channel, y'all, we got some good content coming up. I want to make some empanadas, but I want to do it using this biscuit. These already, you know, the can of biscuits. All right, picked up just a ½ gallon of whole milk, and then I also picked up a ½ gallon of buttermilk and another ½ gallon of almond milk. Also grabbed 2 of these ground turkeys, because anytime I do anything with ground beef, I always mix ground turkey with it. Picked up 1 more ground chuck. And then let me come forward. I have another box of Easy Melt because we're going to be doing nachos for New Year's as one of the appetizers. That's another reason why I grabbed a couple of these meats, turkey and hamburger meat. I'm also going to be doing some bacon wrap, candied bacon wrap little smokies. So picked up a couple of these beef little smokies, and then I also grabbed some cream of wheat because we have not had cream of wheat in a long time. Comment below if you like cream of wheat, if y'all old school and like cream of wheat. I had malto meal on the list. This is a curbside pickup that I did, so I had malto meal on the list, but they were out of malto meal, so I just picked up cream of wheat. Also grabbed some grits here. And then we also picked up some old-fashioned oatmeal. This is a 42 ounce. It was like $3 and something as well. Now back here, I've got 2 packages of Simply Potatoes shredded hash browns. Now I wanted the Orida brand, but for some reason, my local HEB is not carrying that particular brand in shredded hash browns, so I always end up having to get this Simply Potatoes. What I'm gonna do for this, and that's gonna be on the channel as well, stay tuned for that, is I'm gonna try to maybe do like a little copycat of the hash brown casserole that they sell at Cracker Barrel. If any of y'all have been to Cracker Barrel and had the hash brown casserole on it, it is the bomb. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I decided I'm gonna make some myself, and I'll record that for y'all. So be expecting that video coming up pretty soon. Over here, I grabbed some loaded baked potato chips. Also grabbed 2 bags of these pork rinds, or chicharrones, or hot skins, whatever you want to call them. 2 bags for my husband. He asked for those. And then grabbed 2 more loaves of bread. Also grabbed 2 of these Tostitos. I know I got some on the last grocery haul, but I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. Number one, these are for the nachos for New Year's Eve, but you know what? These are just good chips. Like, they have a very good coating of that hint of lime on there to just eat. Like, you can dip them, you know, in the little salsa or eat them with your nachos. They just taste good. I just like them. I'm just keeping it 100. So picked up 2 bags of that. Then also grabbed some sour cream and onion chips, and then of course some original chips. So that is the grocery haul. I told y'all it was just a small little grocery haul that we grabbed to kind of make ends meet for New Year's, and then also picked up some items that we're gonna be cooking on the channel. The appetizers for New Year's that I'm going to do, that you will see a video on, are the candied bacon wrap little smokies, which I just showed you those. And then also I have some meatballs that I purchased that we're just gonna put together and make some barbecue meatballs, and so you'll see that video coming up pretty soon. Hopefully it won't be after the new year, but yeah, you'll see it coming up pretty soon. So I have the half a gallon of buttermilk, which I am going to do some homemade buttermilk biscuits, so be looking out for that video as well. Lots of good content coming up. So that's our grocery haul, our little mini grocery haul. I don't think I'm missing anything in those bags behind me. All right, so we appreciate you guys 100%. To all my new subscribers, bless you, bless you, bless you. Love you, love you, love you, and welcome to the G Squad. This is your official welcome to the G Squad. To all of my new subscribers, to all my OGs, I truly appreciate you guys sticking with us and encouraging us to continue to come back with new content. Thank you for keeping my brain going to try to figure out new things to cook. And make sure that you remember to go to my community tab, because the classes are going to be coming up. The deadline for the community tab to vote on which dish you would like to prepare for your family is going to be January the 9th at 10 p.m. So make sure that you go and you cast your vote on what you would like to see in the class. Please remember that the class is going to be $50 per person, and you will get details about that once the money has been received, and we'll go from there. So any questions, y'all know, hit me on the DM, Instagram, WhatchaCookinGlenda _1. And of course, y'all know you can email me. My details are in the description. Thank you guys, and we will talk to you on the next video. Bye.